Tell me how you. Ooh, they trying to end my shit, honey. They trying to get me out of here, honey. My bad. Hey, Queen. I'm finna clean up for real, y'all. I'm finna clean. Ooh. Laundry, that's in the dryer. That's in the dryer. Hey, sister. I think we need to eat some seafood boils tonight from Leaky Leak. That's what I'm thinking. What y'all thinking? Where the fuck you been? I had to go clean up upstairs, and you wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it? Do me a favor. Can you, is they coming?
Yeah.
Sunday reset, yeah.
No, she wants you to pay for it, babe.
Pay for what?
Her seafood boil. What, Benny? What?
Who?
That she wants to pay for you.
None of those football games even on.
The men's football right there. Them all football games. That's a good one right there. That's actually a headliner. This game right here. Oh no!
You need to straighten up that bottom downstairs bathroom if they coming.
Yeah, that's the one we're looking at right now, Oregon and Indiana. You said who in there? 13-10. Yeah, 13-10.
So seafood boy or no?
Yeah. You said I need to do what to downstairs?
Straighten up that downstairs bathroom.
Oh,
Clean it. Well,
I gotta make a video doing that because we had a beer challenge and Slim threw up.
Okay, well hurry up and get it done before you have company. Turn my heat on 73 actually.
All right, let me know so I can roll some. All right.
I love you too, honey.
Oh yeah. Studio, bad bitches at the studio. Oh, a bunch of bags. But you said do what to the heat?
Should I turn it to 73 or leave it?
Just cut the heat on.
It is on. It's on.
Gang on the way, sis.
What you just called me?
Trip say, tell sis gang on the way.
Go clean that bathroom downstairs, or they gonna be waiting outside till it's clean. And put Benny's stuff in the garage. That don't take that long to wipe down no sink and toilet.
Hey, I don't want right now. I just got out the shower. I'm gonna go roll up.
Then go roll up and get you some energy and then clean it. I'll spray it down. That is actually, I might just clean it.
No, y'all gotta clean it, but why?
Because it's dirty down there. You don't have company and there's the only bathroom they can use and it's dirty.
Them niggas want that dirty it up.
Exactly. So them your friends clean it. I'm gonna spray it and have it ready. Where are your shoes? Did you put Benny's stuff in it? Put his litter in the garage.
You don't got to, you know. If you don't got to do that, I'll do that.
We ain't gonna get these boils till 11 p.m.
son football game tomorrow? Y'all come?
BC, you want 2 clusters or 1?
How much you charging for the crab cluster?
I'll be getting it for free. What do you want? 2 clusters or 1 cluster?
Oh, cause she do it by like that. I want shrimp too though.
Duh, Christopher.
Alright. She got Sprites.
Sprite? You sound like a teenager. My face so dry. Okay, yeah, he got his own apartment. I am supposed to clean the kitchen. And for that company. I don't play that shit, man. Damn it. And he just leave my door open. See? Guess we have to fucking clean now. I'm gonna start using my dishwasher as a drying rack. So I can clear up this area and maybe put some flowers or something. I need to go get that dish detergent from upstairs. And tell me how you make me feel. That's what you do? Okay, I'm gonna try that. All right, I'm gonna do that then. Ooh, maybe I should. Y'all, they fixed my dishwasher. Should I try and use it? I should use it to be lazy, huh? Let's try it. I can always just rewash if they get too bad. Well, this is exciting because this is like fixed dishwasher. Okay, I'm gonna rinse them first, of course. Honestly, I'm finna time how long it take me to do this. And if it's the same amount as washing dishes, I'm just gonna wash the dishes. But after this, if it's like quicker, I'm talking about loading up the washer, not the wash time and all the cycles and stuff. All right, let me put my tools back. Alexa, open Pandora. I wonder what was wrong with it.
It is World Mental Health Day, and this year we're saying thank you, therapists. Behind every supportive moment and small win is a therapist who showed up and made a difference. BetterHelp has supported over 5 million people on their mental health journeys. With 12 plus years experience and the world's largest online network of qualified therapists, it's easy to match with the one that's right for you. See for yourself. Visit betterhelp.com/pressplay for 10% off your first month.
Alexa, open Pandora. Here's Pandora.
Dog mates in the trenches, never had a heart, so I feel a country, killer life, just start snuff, but that really down short, I've been stirring wrong, that pussy, and they feel fake, but I say, I'm all who you say I am, yeah. She know how to switch from a rape to a laugh, yeah. Got into it with my bitch, caught up on torn, trying to clean shut out my dick, wonder what she doing, you know me, real G, I take things to how it's going, she was funny, dick, looking like the you having fun. Look for my home when I try to look inside my woman. Told my baby I wish I would've bounced back when I was fun. Stay away from all the bullshit. Them niggas still run. I passed over, now you see that I was chasing her. Oh, they don't better than me. Buddies, mama, did this once. So you sitting up in the fan, I take it on that how they got it. They don't want to feel me a pretty go back like my honey down. But you said, I ain't you won't make me say it from me. Some hoes stand out, some of them they sound alien. Some say that I'm the realest, but I still ain't saying that. Cause I'm all who say I am. She know I just switch from a red to a line.
I'm assuming Bo's going to class.
I'm all you say I am. Trying to run me up particularly, that's not your mom. I just run my neck, they really got I could've dropped the porch. And she still like in the Norway, throw out the orange. Cut all my ex, on my niggas, put that pussy on it. And watching every move I make like that's the trends. I had to focus on sex.
How is the water gonna get inside the bowl? Do y'all flip your bowls the other way? Oh, bowls on the bottom? Are y'all sure? How will the water get inside the bowl?
I switched to another spot. Reversible stock carbon, you convert me. I was gamble short. I put smoke on the block. I tested her, she got a lick.
The water sprays up? Oh. Well, I ain't got no cups to put up top, so I can just stick to it. I'm gonna put them this way. Still living large as I aim for the storm. Prayer on John, I came from the sun, got a stain on my arm. Wasn't through the storm, I'm taking her love me. You can't be like a walking to her. My step was like I control in this bitch. I hope you go show, get you showed in this bitch. Be right around and ready to push one stop. Cause I'm all you think I am. She know how to switch from a red to a last. I'm ready to go back to the window to man. I'm all you say I am. I should put them in there dirty to see how good it'll really clean. Yeah, man. What you gonna do with me? Come on, sir. You drunk right now. Right now. Move your hair right now. Tryna be right now. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm sure I understand. I don't give a fuck.
Sounds good. Why you answering that? Come here, let me smack it again. I heard you. You got a man. You love that nigga. You ain't gotta tell me again. I'm just trying to link it, be nasty again. Diggy your back on me daddy again. Ain't about to keep playing. I'm really that nigga. You keep bullshitting. I'm grabbing your friend. But damn, I can't keep my mouth off of you. Some shots of that concert. So, sorry, the fool. Remember your favorite hotel. I remember your favorite position. Let's go get a rope. You in the relationship now? Come on, my baby. I know you. That ain't even you. You know how it's so. Let's go on the freaky. You got to lose, my baby.
You right now, what you want right now? You drunk right now? Listen, I don't care right now. Move your hair right now. Tryna be right now. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Don't you understand? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Don't you understand? And I got home to calling me. You know I'm
No reason to complain, don't be up tonight. And even if you can't, it won't make you mine. You wasting mine. You do what you want right now. You do drugs right now. Just know it that I'm in. I don't care right now. Pull your hair right now. Tryna be right now. Just know it that I'm in. I don't give a fuck. Just know it that I'm in. I don't give a fuck. All right. Okay, first time using the dishwasher since it's got 6 straw. So here we are. This is it. This is going to be the practice plate. I didn't rinse this off good just to see what it'll give. So, let's see. I do got my Cascade Ultimate, but so that's good. I think this is where it goes. Do y'all be putting 1 or 2? I don't even know if that's where it goes. I hope so. I think that is. Immediately no? No to the dishwasher? Should I put 2? You be putting 2 first? Okay.
Top goes over so cool. Like a piece of you want to have a cool. So pick one, yeah, don't cheat. Don't you not breathe, no rotation, no way. We gon' keep it set, cut it back. Got that feeling every day on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just joy, don't stop walking.
Oh, yeah.
Celebrate every day like a fire. These gone, wait up. Too low. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. In my 20s, I can enjoy the moment and try to pick up. I follow my chain on. You in my chains, I got you with it, Can't still catch me back on us. Take a shot at this man, just enjoy the moment. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. I don't need it, but I'm not coming. All games I've been ripping up. The dead and bull like we better do it. But now I'm higher, scared of. Hold that wrist, but it catches my bonus. Sex sounds like a brand. Joy, I know you're walking on the haters. Celebrate every day. The birthday, young, the love of haters. Too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Oh. Got the face looking at me like it's dinner time. I know she's vegan, but she wants to stay shy. Got the smile like a set, but it's in her mind.
Baby, run it, let it blow your mind. Shotgun, take shots, stop conversation, blowing that. Are we in the class now? Back in the moment. First you move the words in till it works out. I get out till the sun's out.
Oh, we need to be washing this, so we'll do this side look a little bit cleaner.
Just me top down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Roll right up and they all hot there. Now we just sit and have a lunch on me. So if ever don't want to speak your way, we about to grab some bricks and head to 100. You be more we can guess upon holidays. So I know we about to get started. Nothing like to the next. Now she got her hands all over my body. I ain't trying to stop, and I know she with it. I can see it in her eyes. She been down from the beginning, and she can't leave me alone. Cause I drive her body crazy, and give her a little taste. Now she pulling have my babies. Something might be a little free. Got to be bad person on me. I mean, I got this on all week. And all we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. That's all we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. All we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. Something might be a little free. And all we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. Now we on about me, son. She loving the view when we smoke. I'm loving it too while I scroll. Got the stars looking down on us. Do it to the sunrise. Beat, beat, beat. Take a drink on the slip. She a freak. Get it right up. Get it right up. Energizer. She's a she not tired. She cooking, baking. Eggs and some bacon. I eat that. I treat that. They eat that again. Yeah. I ain't trying to stop, and I know she will. I can see it in her eyes. She been down from the. She can't leave me alone, cause I drive her body crazy. I give her a taste. Now she wanna have my babies. Shine like a little freak. Got 3 bad friends in on me. Yeah. Every girl been sun all week. All we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. All we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. All we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. Fuck and drink. Sun might be a little free, and since she came. All we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. I'm sitting at 305, and you know it's just mine. All we do is post it up in that 305, and you know it's just in mine. All we do is shine like me alone free. Got 3 bad friends and they on me. I'm every girl been sun all week. All we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. That's all we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. All we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. Shine like a little freak. All we do is fuck, drink, and sleep. Drink, sleep, drink, sleep. This what happen when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time you round, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on the sign, guess it's time for a different breath. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. Break it down. Yeah. Yes, sir. Check. He used to lay up and then stay up, had sex and then blow game. I should've played no games, but you just leveled up my rate. Last time I saw you, we didn't speak, that was strange. Yes, there's nothing I could do, man, it's true. X has changed, yeah. Hey, X has changed for the better, better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let's tell it, yo, but I'm ready to fix it. It's ready, baby, so give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. For real, shot. Yeah. Yeah. Is you at 2 keys or 10 roof? Turn up, we don't tell her, we just getting loose. Baby, I'm low-key feeling you. Don't be cynical and fuck you over. Wanna fuck you over. Then again, the truth is I ain't really in stock problems. Girl, I swear to God, them hoes can't never say they got him. No, I bet you wanna tell them, don't try him. I don't wanna tell them, let's surprise them. I don't wanna get into it, why you stressing them? I've been driving back and forth from Louisville to Lexington. Mileage on the whip, got your ass in my grip. College, make you one strip for them dollars. Nah, girl, I got a job for you. Swear to God, I can do a lot for you. Sunny strolling through the campus, I had to stop for you. I was scrolling through the gram, girl, I had to follow you. Say what's up with you. You got my soul. Hey, sick of these niggas. Sick of these niggas. High some help. Get rid of these niggas. Sick of these shits. Move the rich. Turn the bitch. They do it in here. GLE, cause I'm moving fast. F class, G class, lot of class. Get a rocket in there, bitch ain't got no flag. Louis bags in exchange for body bags, yeah. Sick of these niggas. Sick of these niggas. High some help. Get rid of these niggas. 41. They do it in. Wherever you been. They do it in, and I'm so tired. I fought with a mom and last night. Not you on my bed night. They don't know why. So they call that lovey-dovey shit. I'm his brother shit. All that other shit. It's too late about it. It's too late about it. Like, too late about that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your brother shit. All that other shit. It's too late about it. Like, it's too late about it. Hey, sick of these niggas. Sick of these niggas. Hire some help. Get rid of these niggas. I'm not with the rah-rah.
Damn it!
My bitch is now. Your bitch is. Yeah, that ain't shook. He's don't let them fool you, I don't care how they look. Heard all of the talking, now it's quiet, now it's shook. Till these nights coming, they on edge, but I shook. Either lead this foreign man, but look from my city. Yes, I feel future, but I like it revenue. I do not forget a thing I'm facing once again. Try to tell them they got it, go advances. Yeah, I can tell. I just gave them keys before they made it like Chappelle. Standing over, calling with a hammer and a nail. Heard you hit up someone so they gon' ring a bell. Nah, sick of these niggas. Hire some help. Your bitch. Sick of the shit. I'm running the bitch. Whatever you did. It is what it is, and I'm so tired. I fought with them all, but I got tired. Knock you on the daily night. That only going, but don't know why. It's too late, party, and all the dumb shit. I'm in better shit. All that other shit. It's too late, party. It's too late, party. Hey, it's too late, party, and all the dumb shit. I'm in better shit. All that other shit. It's too late, party. It's too late, party.
Oh.
Whoa. I got feelings for you. You ain't nothing a clue. How many bodies you got? Pray that ain't more than a few. Know that you dealt with some rain when you was young and in school.
Ah! You move!
But I got it wet like a pool. She got a new G-Wag, she wanna hit highlight room, show it out. Got a new body, girl, show it out. It's a Brazilian, I know it's out. Toned up and she got a six-pack. Look like she used to play volleyball. Begging the special to have it all. Codes and safe to have it all. Fuck your main page, what's your finster? I wanna know the real you. You started dancing to pay your tuition, girl, I wanna know what you've been through. You want a boutique and you want to sell house, just let me know what you into. If you out in public and he want your number, just tell him my nigga scan you. The way you make me feel these days. Something getting dry for you, baby girl. Smoking need a top for you, baby girl. Burn somebody block for you, the way you make me feel these days. Coming out my body for you, baby girl. Wipe them like a snotty for you, baby girl. Coming out my body for you. Damn, just turned on the news and seen that man who never got pussy in school or making laws about what women could do. I gotta protect you. I'm a made man, tied in all the way, baby, so I gotta respect you. Niggas put hands on you in the past, insecure because your body is pressure. 4 words when I think about them is crusty, musty, dusty, rusty. 8 words when I think about us is fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Disrespect, yeah, I smack them. The texts you say in the captions, the videos you got ever leave you going viral or going platinum. Don't worry about your friend's story when I had her alone. She gon' try and put some extras on and take you out of your zone. You know how it goes when they can't get a reservation up in Carbone. They gon' tell you it's a chill night. Tell you how they rather stay home. Yeah. Jealous asshole. Yeah. And I know what I said about being involved, but just like that R&B group from the 90s, girl, one call, I'll get you involved. One call, you in runway shows. One call, I'm sitting front row. One wrong call from your ex nigga saying done shit again, sent home. One call and my niggas 10 toes, down to go wherever I say go. Even if we gotta travel across the globe, down to take it to the end of the road. For real. The way you make me feel these days. So getting dry for you, baby girl. Smoking in the top for you, baby girl. Burn some
nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I've been down in your dreams like the ration. You took my heart and my keys and my passion. You took my heart and my sleep as decoration. You was sticking with love, I brought for you my foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had. Something that you never seen. Something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. And some like that work, 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 work. Na 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 na. When you walk, na 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 na. But I never was na 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 na. Beg you something, please. Beg da 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 da. Some like that work, 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 work. When you walk, na 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 na. When the cat from my search. Work, 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 work.
They don't know I call you sprinkler system cause you sprinkling like water. Don't tell your daddy you be calling me daddy, but tell him Ludacris is thankful for his daughter. While we all in the backseat of my Impala. Hut one, hut two, hike, hike, hike. They don't know about the scratches on my back and how I call you my bed bug when you bite, 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 bite. Evelyn, dribbling, feeling on my adrenaline, tasting like cinnamon. I can think of so many synonyms. You be killing them other women pretending they don't know that you really hardcore like little Kim and Em. Squat down, bend it over, bring it back from the side, turn around, hunchback, Notre Dame. Turn your device on, it's the right song, turn the lights on, with your love, you know my hell no. Allow my phone, cause you know it. Baby, I swear. They don't know. I'm best friends with Giuseppe. If you let me, I put you in something rare. They don't know. Yeah, I fucked with your homegirl back in 06. Why she keep bringing up old shit? She was cool with a girl I used to go with. You can tell them both that it's your dick. I bet. They don't know. And she won't even speak when you see me in the street. She's still my little freak. Girl, you don't take pictures of your blind. Take it like I'm lying. Bitches dying while it's so weak. They don't know. Tonight we might be courtside, me, you and wifey. 200 on my neck, even though I got a check, she'll fuck around, spend it on me. They don't know, 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 they don't know. We in the same room, we'll never say shit. Between me and you, only cold, no. How you feel about me? Can't live without me, They don't know. That pretty thing cream when you think about me, They don't know. You was there in my condo by the run. Used to keep on your chain, me going through some things. Escape whenever you want. Who I hit by the fire and your legs keeps firing. It's they don't know. That you're stressed and you're tired, but the stress is lighter with the money that I like. I like to put my lips on, kiss on every part of your body. Yeah. Whosoever, baby, who you gon' tell? Nobody.
Give a bitch this a high five. I don't know why.
I really don't feel like vacuuming,
honestly.
honestly.
I don't even know I'm high is that I high crime, but I gotta get your naked pictures that I'm ready to send you if you just want relations, baby. It's nothing that can do. You said you looking for something to get into. Oh, I'm looking for someone to get into. They don't know you got me crazy and craving and screaming that I wanna have your baby. Hook it all up in this bed, all up in my legs, pulled in like that, mistake. They don't know. They can't hang if they don't smoke. I don't fuck with niggas if they don't blow. And that ain't no joke.
They don't know. They don't know. They don't want to tell me with me. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know. We be in the same room. We'll never say shit. Yeah, just keep it between me and you.
Okay, correct it, be down on email. Now why you speak around when you hear? All you do is let you down. Does he hear how you smile? Disappear. How can you take a cry when you hear? Is it love or the with pride in the field. Then she tried in the field. And she going down with the pills. Concrete shoes on their heels. All around there. On they know they talking loud, blowing smoke when they clear.
Let me stand it right here.
Every single minute you done had fit. That's right. Wait a little longer, I paid in that. Okay, I gave you everything that I have for check.
I think I'm all done down here.
Tell them the next. Man, I'm not asking to the question what the
Let's put these shoes
don't have
on.
to wait for you, can I what the hell is he at? Hey, the love of my life, you gon' forever be there. Whoever question it, I guess they could have seen it.
I need to change that one. I don't like this one.
We in the same room. We never said shit. Yeah, just keep it between me and you. And we cool, cause they don't know. 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 Even though I know you, you don't be talking like a language. You follow all the rules. Yeah. Okay, cool. Still, they don't know. They don't know what they're doing.
Almost done, guys.
They don't know.
They don't know.
It's time to work your magic, Kentwood. The new Ross is now open at Kentwood Town Center. You can find the brands you know and the prices you love on clothes, shoes, and home decor. Come work your magic with 20 to 60% off other retailers' prices every day. Tap for directions or visit rossstores.com to find your new store.
You clean the bathroom?
Ross, work your magic.
Is my shirt on back?
And two of you had it. Let's try some fingerprints.
Oh, you don't even know how the night getting over. Now it's starting to show. Oh, man, ain't no sense in front when you know I gotta pay for it.
I think I made it work.
Plus or minus me and you, baby. I love you. Used to be the kind of nigga never wanna settle down.
This some shit. I never heard of this song. That candle smell good.
Cause you changed me, baby. Cause you changed me, baby. Yeah, you changed me, baby. Said I never settle down. I'm a true girl. Look at me now. Cause you changed me, baby. I'll be a player for
I'm gonna wipe this table down.
so sad all up in one night. Oh, baby, ain't no sense in front of me. You know I got it right for it. Ain't no other girl.
Alexa, open Fubo.
Here's Fubo TV.
Settle down. Right now, we're gonna pay. Not just physical, really stimulate.
Alexa, open Fubo.
Here's Fubo TV.
Be thinking about us, having us some babe. Everything about us got me like.
Oh, I need him to carry that load to down too. Well, simply because my kids are 5 and 6 years old. So like moving their room to the basement is kind of crazy as hell. I'll be honest. That's kind of crazy. Having a 5 or a 6-year-old in the basement by themselves. Did you think this one through, sister, before you sent this? Did you think this one through? Okay. Oof. Okay, which one you got about now? Oof. Headless Horseman Haunted House? I never heard of that. Ooh, Now You See Me is coming out. Now You See Me 3? Is it 3 or 4? Oh, it came out already? When? Oh, no, it don't come out to November. Oh, damn. That's kind of close, but I'm seeing that. I'm seeing that. I don't care. I'm seeing that, honey. I absolutely have to. I absolutely have to. Hey, Queen.
Hold on. You're stealing my job.
I don't want to steal anything.
Lies. Eli's.
I just love these subs.
It's a Jersey Mike's thing. A sub above.
When holiday inspiration sparks, there's only one thing to do.
It's our first holiday here, so we're keeping it simple.
Simply decorating everything.
How did you hang garland?
These will do the trick. Whether you're new to hosting or just ready for something,
Incredible.
bring your traditions to life with the Home Depot.
Her being into it. Yeah, she's not
I
talking
checked
about
Allstate
it.
first
She
and
didn't say
saved hundreds
anything.
on my car insurance.
Just leave it where it is. Get over it. It happened. It happened. She basically was just giving out, I think, a general announcement on basically letting everybody know, like, it's over with. Like, stop talking about it.
It's not.
Let me go upstairs and play with my cat.
Allstate first was smoke.
Listen, well, I ain't gonna hold you up.
And that kitchen, this kitchen better be clean. I mean, that bathroom better be clean.
Wait, where's Danny DeVito fishing here?
Hello?
That doesn't matter.
And make sure you remember the bathroom.
So what matters most is your sub and that sub bowl. Don't tell anybody about my secret spot.
Why you sound like that?
To Jersey
It's like what?
Huh?
It's like what?
Oh, bye.
The Home Depot Big Ten on CBS is sponsored by Jersey Mike Subs. Allstate.
Oh, you rolling out.
Twisted Tea, Hard Iced Tea. And live, the Home Depot.
Okay. I would get on your nerves bad. Why? He outside with his friend. His friend just pulled up. They finna smoke in the car again because they can't smoke in my house. I'm just making sure what's going on. I'm actually finna air fry my buffalo chicken wings. Actually, I lied. Ooh, it smells good. Now we just need the aroma. You just want a reaction. Tell her Perry should watch Sisters. I'm gonna try Sisters. I'm gonna try Sisters. How long you put your chicken wings in the air fryer?
Probably 11 minutes.
What temperature?
Kind of what we watch. I'm gonna start off at like 390, like 370, and then turn them up. Like, cause they only go from 370 to 390. That's a big jump.
I'll put on 400 for 7 minutes.
No, it's not gonna work like that, man.
Okay, bye. I'm gonna do what I wanna do. The seafood boy don't come at 11 because she don't be done cooking them until about 9:30, and then she be delivering them by herself. So usually, she don't get to my house till 11 because I live kind of far from her. I don't ever get off live. Ever. Especially when my kids not here, I'll be on live 24/7. When they here, I take a couple hour breaks in between and all that good stuff, but I love live. It's like having company 24/7. Like, I don't know, I love it. It's so fun. Hey, Queen. Mink's got 2 costumes he decided no, and Moomy's mermaid, Mystic Mermaid, come next week, I think. Let me check. Oh, I got the cutest Mommy and Me sets, y'all. I got a navy blue one and a camouflage one. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be so cute. Hers come October 15th through October 17th, and then my black dress come by Thursday. It's so cute. That sounds cute. It is. It's so cute. You love when I'm live, period, Pooh. You need to start doing lives. Yes, girl, start going live. It's like having your friends on the phone with you 24/7. Bitch, y'all be FaceTiming all day anyway. Only difference is I don't like FaceTiming my friends because they be talking bad. Like, I like this because don't nobody talk bad. Like, you know? Nobody can say anything back unless I read it. Is Chris Meeks and Mooney's father? What made you ask that? Did you come from a clip maybe that you saw? Well, if you did, maybe you should go watch the clip and see.
Hopefully, you know, they should, you know, come out. I hope that you are too, so you can definitely mention so. She ain't gonna stop. She was just letting everybody know, like, y'all saying all of this stuff, but Ty didn't even say anything yet. She didn't even get into it yet. So she ain't gonna stop. She was just letting everybody know, like, y'all saying all of this stuff, but Ty didn't even say anything yet. She didn't even get into it yet.